Lagido Micah Ella Gel E, Deportment Awardee. She is also an officer of the Student Body Organization, Backsmith Athlete and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Likayan Phil Joseph G, Altar Server Awardee. Ligaya K. Jane E, member of the CBIF Drum and Lyre Corps. Matamas Amy, Youth Lay Liturgical Minister and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Madrigero Jove, Backsmith Athlete and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Nalasa Kaya